everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful white pergola for patio ideas and tips to add beauty, shade, and functionality to your backyard patio. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A white pergola for patio is a beautiful and elegant addition to any outdoor space. It can provide shade and shelter from the sun, as well as a place to relax and entertain guests. White is a versatile color that can go with any style of home, and it will brighten up your patio even on the darkest days. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of white pergolas for patios, answer some common questions about them, and provide you with 10 of the best white pergola ideas for your home. What is a white pergola for patio? A white pergola for patio is a structure that is made up of posts and beams that support a roof. The roof is typically made of lattice or vines, which allows sunlight to filter through. White pergolas are a popular choice for patios because they are stylish, low maintenance, and can be customized to fit any size or style of patio. Is white the best color for a pergola? White is a great color for a pergola because it reflects sunlight and heat, which can help to keep your patio cooler in the summer. White also goes with any style of home, and it can make your patio look larger and brighter. Is it cheaper to build a white pergola? The cost of building a pergola will vary depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the design. However, white pergolas are typically less expensive than pergolas made from other materials, such as wood or metal. This is because white paint is relatively inexpensive, and it can be applied to any type of material. Can you have a white pergola on a patio? Yes, you can have a white pergola on a patio. In fact, white pergolas are a popular choice for patios because they can help to brighten up the space and make it feel more inviting. Where should a white pergola be placed on a patio? The best place to place a white pergola on a patio is in a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. This will help to maximize the benefits of the pergola, such as providing shade and shelter from the sun. The pergola should also be placed in a spot that is visible from the house, so that you can enjoy it from inside your home. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best white pergola ideas for patios. 1. A white pergola with a retractable roof. This is a great option for patios that get a lot of sun. The retractable roof can be opened on sunny days to let in the breeze, and closed on rainy days to protect you from the elements. 2. A white pergola with a lattice roof. This is a more traditional option for white pergolas. The lattice roof allows sunlight to filter through, but it also provides some privacy. 3. A white pergola with climbing vines. This is a beautiful and elegant way to add greenery to your patio. The vines will grow up the pergola and provide shade and beauty. 4. A white pergola with string lights. String lights are a great way to add a touch of romance and ambience to your patio. They can be strung up on the pergola or draped over the lattice roof. 5. A white pergola with a fireplace. This is a great option for patios that get cold in the winter. The fireplace will provide warmth and a place to gather with friends and family. 6. A white pergola with a dining area. A white pergola is the perfect place to set up a dining area. The shade from the pergola will keep you cool on hot days, and the ambience will make your dining experience even more enjoyable. 7. A white pergola with a seating area. A white pergola is also a great place to set up a seating area. The shade from the pergola will keep you cool on hot days, and the ambience will make your seating area even more relaxing. 8. A white pergola with a bar. If you love to entertain, a white pergola with a bar is the perfect addition to your patio. The bar will provide a place to mix drinks and socialize with your guests. 9. A white pergola with a water feature. A water feature is a great way to add a touch of tranquility to your patio. The sound of the water will help to block out noise from the outside world and create a peaceful oasis. 10. A white pergola with a fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to add warmth and ambience to your patio. It can be used for cooking, socializing, or simply enjoying a warm night under the stars. These are just a few of the many great white pergola ideas for patios. With a little creativity, you can create a beautiful and functional space that you will enjoy for years to come. A white pergola is a great way to add beauty, shade, and functionality to your patio. It is a versatile and affordable option that can be customized to fit any style of home. If you are looking for a way to improve your outdoor space, a white pergola is a great place to start. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful white pergola for patio ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.